Property fraud is increasing rapidly. Property fraud poses a significant threat to homeowners across the United Kingdom. This malicious activity involves criminals deceitfully acquiring ownership of a property, often leading to substantial financial losses and legal complications for the rightful owners. Recent incidents have underscored the urgency of understanding and mitigating such risks. In recent years, the UK has witnessed a concerning increase in property fraud cases. Notably, there has been an 84% rise in digitally driven property fraud targeting homeowners and landlords. This surge highlights the evolving tactics of fraudsters and the pressing need for vigilance among property owners. Understanding the strategies used by criminals is crucial in safeguarding one's property. Common methods include identity theft, where fraudsters steal personal information to impersonate property owners, enabling them to sell or remortgage properties without consent. Forged documents, where criminals create counterfeit documents to transfer property ownership illicitly. And interception of mail, where fraudsters redirect or steal mail to gain access to sensitive information, facilitating fraudulent transactions. A notable case involved a homeowner whose identity was stolen, leading to the unauthorized sale of her property. The fraudster intercepted her mail and used forged documents to transfer ownership, resulting in a prolonged legal battle to reclaim her home. Certain properties are more susceptible to fraud, including vacant properties, which are prime targets, rental properties, where landlords not closely monitoring their properties may be unaware of fraudulent activities, and mortgage-free properties, which often lack lender oversight, making unauthorized transactions easier. To protect against property fraud, homeowners should consider the following steps. Register your property with HM Land Registry to provide legal proof of ownership and simplify the process of rectifying fraudulent transactions. Set up property alerts through HM Land Registry's free property alert service to notify you of any significant activity concerning your property. Place a restriction on your title to add an extra layer of security against unauthorized transactions. Maintain up-to-date contact information with HM Land Registry to receive timely notifications. Safeguard personal information by being cautious about sharing personal details and securely storing sensitive documents. And regularly monitor your property, especially for vacant or rental properties, to ensure no unauthorized activity has occurred. Solicitors and conveyancers play a pivotal role in preventing property fraud by verifying the identities of parties involved in property transactions and ensuring the legitimacy of documents. Engaging experienced and reputable legal professionals can significantly reduce the risk of fraud. If you suspect that your property is at risk or has been subjected to fraudulent activity, contact HM Land Registry to report your concerns. Seek legal advice from a solicitor experienced in property law, and notify the police as property fraud is a criminal offense. With the increasing digitization of property transactions, cybercriminals are exploiting weak security measures to commit fraud. Fraudsters use phishing attacks, malware, and data breaches to gain unauthorized access to property-related documents and personal information. Property owners must use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid suspicious emails or links. Criminals are now leveraging deepfake technology to create convincing fake identities, allowing them to impersonate property owners more effectively. This makes traditional identity verification processes less reliable, necessitating advanced biometric authentication and enhanced scrutiny in property transactions. Scammers pose as landlords or letting agents, illegally leasing properties they do not own, collecting deposits and rental payments from unsuspecting tenants before disappearing. Renters must verify landlord credentials and cross-check property ownership through official records before making payments. The UK government is continuously improving security measures within HM Land Registry to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions, implementing AI-driven fraud detection systems, and enhanced due diligence requirements for property transactions. Regulators are imposing stricter Know Your Customer regulations on conveyancers and estate agents to verify buyer and seller identities rigorously. Authorities are increasing efforts to educate homeowners on property fraud risks through campaigns, workshops, and online resources. Property fraud represents a serious and evolving threat to homeowners in the UK. Fraudsters continually develop new methods to exploit vulnerabilities, but proactive measures can mitigate risks. By leveraging HM land registry services, working with legal professionals, and staying informed about emerging fraud trends, property owners can protect their assets from criminal activities. Ongoing government initiatives and technological advancements will further enhance security, ensuring a safer property market for all. The British Landlords Association is a national landlord association for UK landlords and one of the largest landlord associations in the UK. Join us now for little as just over £6 a month. Click the link in the description to join today.